Are you an integration developer looking to supercharge your workflows with external events? Then you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into Jira external triggers, what they are, why they matter, and how you can create your own custom triggers. So, what exactly are Jira external triggers? Think of them as event based signals that kick off automated flows whenever something happens in Jira, like a new issue, a comment, or a sprint update. Pretty powerful, right? Here's the Jira Spoke page on the ServiceNow store. Under the triggers section, you will find all the built in triggers for boards, comments, issues, and sprints. These are ready to use and help you automate processes without writing a single line of code. Check out our community blog. It's packed with details on how to use these triggers effectively. And if you are curious about the technical setup, the Jira documentation explains everything, including how to configure inbound connections. All right, let's jump into the demo and see this in action. On my instance, I've already got the Jira Spoke installed. And because we are going to create some custom external triggers, I have also installed the external trigger builder application. And don't forget to have the triggers application as well. Let's get started. Next, let's head over to Workflow Studio. Click on Triggers. This is where you will see all the available triggers in one place. Want to narrow it down? Use the filter to select the application you are interested in. Each trigger is neatly organized by category, so finding the right one is quick and easy. Now, let me walk you through a sample workflow. This one logs key details whenever a new issue is created. To make it dynamic, grab the data pills from the payload object on the right-hand panel and simply drag and drop them into your workflow. It's that easy to personalize your outputs. Now let's put this workflow to the test. I will create a new issue in Jira and watch what happens. Our workflow fires instantly. Confirm. Head over to Workflow Executions where you will see the run details. Let's open the execution record so you can see exactly how the information was captured. Now you wonder how to automate workflows when a work log is created in Jira. Here's the catch. There's no ready-made trigger for this, but don't worry. I'll show you how to build one using external trigger builder. Let's dive in. Head over to Workflow Studio, Triggers, and click on the New Trigger option. You will land on the Properties page. To create an external trigger, select Event Webhook as the trigger type. If you don't see this option, make sure the external trigger builder is installed. You need to know what data comes with the worklog created event. For that, check out the Jira Webhooks documentation for details. Create a webhook for the event you need, in this case, worklog created. Use any webhook testing site to inspect the payload. You can beautify it for clarity and use it as is or trim it down to your needs. I have trimmed it down to make it relevant to the information I need. Paste the payload JSON and use the visualize object to convert it into the required complex object. Add conditions so the trigger fires only when the right event occurs. Publish the trigger and boom, it's ready to use in any flow. Go to your flow, select the new trigger, and complete your automation. Test it by creating a new work log in the issue we set up earlier. Check workflow executions to see the run details and confirm everything worked perfectly. And that's it. You have just learned how to create custom external triggers, reuse existing ones, and automate your Jira workflows like a pro. Don't forget to explore the documentation and community blog for step-by-step guidance. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to hear what you are building.